Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background so you never ruin the original. Once done, zoom to about 100 to 200% and set your brush just larger than the pixel. That keeps edges consistent. Use the spot healing or clone stamp tool. Spot healing is faster, clone gives control. Make short, deliberate clicks or tiny strokes rather than long swipes, and if your tool has sampling options, pick nearby texture to match color and grain for a seamless fix. Now you execute the more detailed work by choosing the best method for the area. For irregular shapes, use patch. For patterned backgrounds, try content aware. For precise control, use clone stamp. Make a new layer for clone work and mask it so you can paint corrections non-destructively. Match lighting and grain by sampling close areas and adjusting opacity or blending modes. Keep edits local. Fix one small section, then step back and compare to ensure color, texture, and edge continuity remain natural. To finish, refine edges and harmonize the area with its surroundings. You can feather masks by 1 to 2 pixels or use a low-opacity smudge to blend seams. Add a tiny amount of noise or grain, 1 to 3%, to match film or sensor texture. Once satisfied, flatten or export a copy. If something looks off, undo the last steps, reduce brush size, resample a closer area, and use the layer mask to repaint only the problem pixels. That quick loop usually fixes stubborn mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.